Yeah, it's 100% delivered, and it's to be frank, it is more practical than theoretical knowledge. I can do marketing for a client from pure knowledge around more than 100 friends. Yeah, I should say yes. I'm very much happy that I got the skills.
Hi everyone, meet Chirag Nanjappa. He's a digital nomad from Cool and a successful freelancepreneur. He launched his business in 30 days. And then he started approaching clients in coming days as well. So Chirag, congratulations. You have done a great job.
Thank you, thank you.
So tell me, uh, like, how did you find us and what all skills you started learning?
Actually, I found you on Instagram. Like when I was scrolling, I got an ad of yours, and like then after that, I thought like it seems something different. So I want to get into this. Then I got on a call with you, and yeah, that's how it started.
Okay.
Once I got connected with you, I got to learn about very new skills which are more practical than theory.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Got
so
it. So when
yeah,
you wanted to join, uh, and what we promised in the beginning, and you have learned now, you have gone through the entire program, did we deliver?
yeah, it's 100% delivered, and it's to be frank, it is more practical than theoretical knowledge.
Yeah.
Like in our universities, we get more of theoretical knowledge, which is of no use. To be very frank, it is of no use. And once I met you, like it's really a very practical and very good experience.
So now you have learned what all skills. Can you name the skills that you have
Like
learned in
the
digital marketing?
main skill my learned is first I learned web designing, with which I designed my website within 10 to 15 days.
Okay.
After that, I learned about how to write sales copies,
Hmm.
how to approach clients, and most about how to close the client.
Okay. So four is done. Facebook ads, Instagram.
Yeah, the Facebook ads part is very much practical knowledge which you are giving, and you are not just giving a theoretical knowledge, you are making us implement in from step by step. So that's how I learned Facebook ads. Like now I have a confidence that I can set up an ad for any particular business owner with full confidence and with right targeting.
So you have also learned it. Uh, I've also given you very practical examples in the program, like how
Yeah,
what I
the
do for my clients. I've shown you a lot of examples, real Facebook dashboard, real examples. So
yeah. The
that
most of the thing is like you're not teaching us this has to be done like this, but the thing is you're more of it. You're implementing it and showing to us. Okay, you have to just replicate this. This works. It
hmm,
means like the ads which are practically running from you, you're showing it to us and making us implement that.
hmm.
That's how the course is different. I find.
So even let's say if you had taken an MBA, if you have gone to MBA college, if you have taken MBA in digital marketing, they will not teach you this. They will not show you practical things. Do you
Yeah,
agree?
yeah. One of my friends says that I have completed MBA, but the thing is, I know these things in a written format. Like I can pass the exam,
Hmm.
but in my real life, I don't think I can. I can run ads or I can approach a client. I can do marketing for a client from pure knowledge. But one of my friends, she says like it's like, yeah, I have the knowledge, but I don't have the confidence because we don't learn anything practical. Everything is theoretical, and it is thought like you have to do this, and this will be the result. They will not teach like it should be practical. Like they'll not implement anything.
Correct. So they MBA is for 2 years, correct?
Yeah,
And they charge how much? 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs? How much did
yeah.
she?
That depending on the college, depending on the university. Yeah, it's around more.
Yeah, maybe 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 2 years, and you learned everything more than that MBA friend in 30 days. Is it?
Yeah, in 30 days, I got the complete knowledge and I started implementing immediately. And yeah, within 30 days, I could do the things, the run ads. Yeah, I completed my website
So
and I could approach a client. Yeah,
the freelancepreneur movement is 100, how many times powerful than MBA?
around more than 100 times. Yeah, I would say, because it's like, yeah, the huge difference is the practical knowledge and the theoretical knowledge.
Correct.
That makes a huge difference actually.
So now you have built your website, you have confidence to write sales copies, set up an ad account. This confidence even an MBA student will not have. And you have
Yeah,
experienced
that,
it. You've asked your friend as well.
yeah, I have experienced that.
Awesome. And what, like what you had to say about the community, the journey, and everything.
Yeah, the community is really like, if I get any doubt, instantly I post and I get the answers, I get the solutions. It's not like some, what to say, some groups where you post a question and you wait for days to get answers. No, that's not like that. Anyone in the community, maybe you or Bojana or other people, will help us on the time, maybe within 1 to 2 hours. That will be the maximum waiting period I felt.
Got it. So a lot of people, they say that Bipin is fake, scam, and all that. Am I scam? Am I fake?
No, no, no. Only one answer would be no.
Yeah, okay. So, see, I wanted to give knowledge which is more powerful than MBA, than any other college or any institute. And that's what I've been doing. That's what, you have experienced. So now what you
Yes,
need to
yes.
do is, I know you have a job, you're kind of busy. That's a challenge again, productivity challenge. So you need to
Yeah,
overcome the
exactly.
productivity challenge and go all in because now you have the skills.
We have the skills, and the thing is, I'll have to start working rigorously on that parallel to my profession, working job.
That's it. Now,
That
if
is the
you want
main issue.
because if you're from Coorg, I'm asking if you want to become a good hockey player, you need to practice every day.
Yeah, every day.
If you don't practice,
The more we practice, the more we have control. So that's how it will develop. So
yeah,
now, even in this journey, if I want to get proficient, I'll have to practice and I keep executing.
correct. That's it.
So practice is the main thing.
Yeah, practice.
Yeah.
So, are you happy that you learned all these skills and you're satisfied? Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very much happy that I got the skills, and a bit sad that I cannot implement it very correctly because of my schedules,
Huh.
because of my job. So I'll have to find a way and find at least 3 to 4 hours a day to only work on the digital marketing and the freelancepreneur movement and Facebook ads and stuff. I'll have to find a slot and make that slot, fix that slot and work in that time period. So that's
Correct.
how I think I can grow.
Correct. So you know it. You know that you need to do it. So now you need to plan your energy. You need to plan your time, and you have to dedicate few things, few hours for this. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, that's it. Congratulations. You have learned all of the skills, and now you're here in this call for the next level for the graduation. Amazing. I would
Yes.
say
Thank you.
uh, yeah, I would wish good luck for you. I would wish all good things for you. Only thing you need to implement. 20% is learning, 80% is implementation.
80% is implement. Yeah.
Awesome. More power to you, Chirag. See you in the classes.
Okay. Thank you.